Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Got another EDC budget knife video for you. But before I get into it, get the formalities out of the way right now. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you dislike it, hit the thumbs down. I don't care. Leave a comment on what you think of this knife or anything. I like getting comments. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. And now we'll get into it. Okay, so today we have the Ka Bar Dozier design folding hunter. Here's the box. Ka Bar 06-4062BO. I'm guessing BO is not because it smells, it's because it's black and orange. So right off the bat, do a little size comparison. Ontario Rat 2. It's almost it's really close to the same size. Then you got the Spyderco Tenacious, which line the pivots up, I guess. You can see the handle's longer, blade's longer. Move those out of the way. You got, so I'll go over the specs, some of the specs and what I like and then what I don't like. You got an overall length of 7.25 inches. Blade is 3 inches. Handle is 4.25 inches. It is, the blade is AUS 8A steel. It is 0.011 inches thick. The handle is 0.4 inches thick. So it's pretty thin knife. It is lightweight. It weighs 2.2 ounces. This weighs just a little bit more of the paracord on it. This black finish is more or less painted iron. I don't think it's powder coat. I think it's some kind of spray paint. You can see there's some spots where it's been rubbed off. The blade, classic drop point. I really like the shape of this. I guess it's almost like a spear point. It's a hollow grind. It slices good. There's jimping on top of the blade, which is really nice. It's aggressive enough to hold your thumb really good, but it doesn't cut into you or anything. It's thumb stud opening. You notice there's only one thumb stud. There's a screw on the back side. You can turn it around. It is locked back. And it locks up solid too. There's no play at all, any direction. Handle is made out of what they call Zytel. It's got a different feel to it than GFN or FRN. I like it. This texturing they got on there really grips. You get good grip on it. Plus the jimping on top. So you get a real good grip. Handle fits my hand good. It's probably the best fitting knife I have. Besides maybe the Tenacious. It is left hand, right hand tip up carry. Again, clip's reversible, the other side. It's not real deep carry. I mean, you got about that much sticking out. And with that much sticking out and this being orange, I don't carry it all that often. I really bought this for outdoor activities like hiking, walking the dogs out in the woods. So I wanted something lightweight and highly visible in case I drop it. And I like orange, and I like the orange and black. Put a black paracord on it. What I like about it, I kind of said some. I like the drop point. I like the scales. I like the Zytel. Gives really good grip. I like the jimping up here. I don't mind the lock back at all. Pocket clip holds really good though. You got some sticking out, but it's a pretty strong clip. It holds good. Plus, with this texturing, they have the clip's landing right on that flat spot, that circle. So I don't have anything out here really, but so it's easy to slide in your pocket, pull it out. I thought this right here would catch, but I've never felt it. And it's in your pockets in a position where you're not going to hit it. But also the action, it's more of a slow roller, more of a two-hand close, but you put enough wrist behind it, you do it just right, you get on the thumb stud. Oh, I can't do it every time, but I do it most of the time. You can flick it open, and if you hit the lock, you can close it one-handed. But really, what you're going to do, what I do, if I use it, I open it up, cut with it, put it away. So a few things I don't like about it, but I didn't mention, it is AUS 8 steel. It's not the best steel. It holds an edge pretty good, but I've sharpened it a few times. And this black coating, it's gonna wear off. More you use it, more it's gonna rub off, flake off. Not really flake off, but I don't know if you can see. But, you know, I knew that when I bought it. It's a $20 knife. I kind of like the worn look anyways. Yeah, the blade coating, you know, I don't like. Another thing is this thumb stud is real close. There's not a lot of room. So, if you're the kind that wants to flick a knife open all the time, it takes some wrist action. It's not a drop shot. But for $20, this was $20.50. That's what it's listed for on Blade HQ. These knives come in all kinds of colors. Black, satin blade, green with black blade, red and black, blue and satin, orange and black. I think there's a green and yellow. And There's actually a different style blade that has a thumb hole. You know, thumb hole kind of like the Spyderco's, but not quite. So some models in 1995, some are 2050. For 20 bucks, you can't beat this for a budget knife. It's pretty sturdy. You know, I've cut in zip ties, quite a bit of cardboard. It holds up really good. So if you're looking for a knife in the $20 range where you can choose, you got plenty of colors and combinations to choose from, check out the Ka Bar Dozier. And this knife, this model is made in Taiwan, but Ka Bar makes knives and they're located in Olean, New York, which is like 80 miles up the highway from me. It's also same place Ontario Knife Company is. So this one's made in Taiwan also. I'll find something made in Olean and I'll get it someday, but guess that's it. Check out the Ka Bar Dozier. It's been around for quite a while, but if you're new to the knife game, EDCing, you know, this is something to look into. And it's not a flicker, but you can do it. Like I said at the beginning of the video, hit the like button if you like it, dislike button if you didn't like it, leave a comment on this knife or anything, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.